Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mario bricks. First, you'll need to gather your materials. Start with a good quality clay, some water, and a sturdy brick mold. Make sure your clay is well conditioned and free from any impurities. A common mold size is 8 inches by 4 inches by 2 and 1/4 inches, which helps create a consistent brick shape for your project. Next, prepare your clay for molding. Knead it vigorously to eliminate any trapped air bubbles, which can cause cracks during drying or firing. Gradually add small amounts of water until the clay reaches a pliable, yet firm, consistency. It should feel smooth and be easy to work with, but not sticky. This step is crucial for strong, durable bricks. Now, let's mold your bricks. Take a generous amount of prepared clay and press it firmly into your brick mold, ensuring it fills every corner. Use a straight edge, like a ruler or a flat piece of wood, to scrape off any excess clay from the top, creating a smooth, level surface. Then, gently invert the mold to release your perfectly shaped brick onto a drying rack. Finally, it's time for drying and finishing. Place your newly formed bricks in a shaded, well-ventilated area to air dry slowly and evenly. Avoid direct sunlight, which can cause rapid drying and cracking. This process can take several days, depending on your local humidity and the brick's thickness. Once completely dry, you can paint them to resemble the classic Mario bricks, adding those iconic details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.